guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and good news and bad news. The good news is that you can fly the Tello with the TALS app, which is the TALS app. The bad news is that it is no longer available in App Store. Now, if you had bought that app when you originally purchased the Tello maybe 7 or 8 months back, it was available, but right now it is not available in App Store. Probably you can find it in Android or get an .apk file from Android, but it's not there anymore. But for experimental purposes, we are going to use this Tello, and we are going to use the TALS app and check it out. How far can this Tello go with the TALS app? Now let's begin. So we'll turn on the Tello at first. So the Tello will be turning on right now, and you will see the lights blink. It's on pairing mode. Now you go to settings. Out here, a lot of apps, sorry for that. And then you go to Wi-Fi. You go to search for the Tello, and the Tello is connected. And after that, when you have done that, just go ahead and open the Tello app. When you open up the Tello app, it's going to ask for the update, and I would strongly suggest do not do any sort of update or anything right now. So after that, just go ahead and get out of the app. And okay, well, we are back again. So we close the app, and we will be going and setting this altitude all the way up to 25 meter in Imperial, that is 82 feet. So we'll keep it in meters so that our guys in US can see what happens to this. Okay, now we'll send this value to Tello. We'll go ahead and confirm this, and we'll say update successful. We'll go back to the app, and the app is still there. Now let's go ahead and do the test. So the Tello is in the air right now, and time for the test. 25 meters is, or 82 feet is what we have set the altitude up to. We'll be seeing a screen recording right now. I'm just going to make sure that the screen recording is on. Yeah, the screen recording is on, and now let's see what happens to the Tello. It's going to be a little bit windy. You will see we are climbing up. 2.4, 3.8, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25. Whoa! And I have solid signal. Watch this. I do not have any signal loss at all. And I'm at 24.7 meters. There is no signal loss right now, and I have total control on the Tello. Yeah, there is a video lag, but if you are taking pictures or anything, it is possible. My Tello is at 25 feet right now. TALS app is amazing. And look at the pictures. Let me take a picture right now. Holy cow. Okay, I've lost signal right now. I'm trying to get weak. Hell yeah! That's what is good about this tiny Tello. Hey, Tello. My Tello, my drone puppy. Amazing job. I just have no words that we actually hit 25 meter mark, but and it's quite stable. It's quite windy right now. It's quite stable and amazing. And so guys, right in front of you, 25 meter altitude is an altitude that you guys can attain if you are having the TALS app. Unfortunately, the TALS app is not available right now for download or anything. So right now, the TALS app is not available at all anywhere in iOS. In Android, it is a possibility to find the TALS app. So there you go, guys. We just hit 25 meter in altitude using the TALS app. Take care.